makeup lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today's video is all about skincare and how to get nice, glowy, healthy skin that loves you in the winter time, because we all know how dry winter can make your skin, and especially for me, I have super dry skin regardless of the season anyway, which intensifies during winter. So if you want to see how I get my skin to look all nice and glowy and looking fresh and healthy during winter, then keep on watching. Okay, so my first tip for having good skin during winter that's not too dry is to drink a lot of water. So I have a big USN bottle, and I think it's about 2.5–3 liters, and I try and drink that every day, especially during winter because your skin gets really dehydrated. So that's my first step, my first tip. So for my skincare, I use the Body Shop. It's cruelty-free, it's not too expensive, and I feel like it's good quality, and I've tried a whole bunch of different combinations of skincare from different brands, and I just keep coming back to this. So, okay, to remove my makeup, I use Good Stuff's Be Natural, Gentle and Effective Makeup Remover in Wild Honey, and it looks like this, and I get it from Discam, and it's cruelty-free, and it says it's optometrist tested, and I get my makeup off really easily with this. And it's really hard to find a cruelty-free makeup remover, so I stick with this one, and it's good, and I just buy 2 bottles, and then that lasts me like over a month. Alright, so for my cleanser, I use the Body Shop's Vitamin E line. It's the pink one like this. We'll insert a product shot. Well, Katie will, let's be honest. And this one is for, it actually says for all skin types, but I feel like it's for more like combination dry skin types. So I use this, and it smells really nice, it lathers up really nicely, and it doesn't leave my face feeling really tight afterwards, and it just moisturizes my skin without making it feel too oily, so it's a nice combination. Okay, to exfoliate my skin, I use the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Revealing Liquid Peel, and it looks like this, and it's got a little pump action right here, and it says it is for it's for dull, tired and grumpy skin, and I literally just put it on my fingers and I massage it into my face, and then it literally looks like your face is crumbling, like there's little stuff that's coming off. Literally you can feel all the dead skin coming off your face. And I feel like it makes my skin super glowy afterwards. There's like no texture left. My skin just feels super smooth. So I love this exfoliator, and it's 200 bucks. To tone my skin, I use the Body Shop. Everything is pretty much a Body Shop. Let's just... I don't even know why I'm saying the Body Shop. Everything's a Body Shop. Yeah, hashtag not sponsored. Alright, so I use the Vitamin E line Hydrating Toner for all skin types. And it is okay, it is a refreshing alcohol-free toner that removes traces of makeup and cleanser. And definitely once I have sometimes removed my makeup, I've washed my face, once I go in with my toner even, I can feel like I'm still getting little bits left of makeup, so it takes away all the residue, which is really nice. And it just opens up your pores, and it's really refreshing. And sometimes if you're in a rush and you just want to refresh your face, then you can just use a little bit of toner as well, so that's really nice. Okay, just talking about refreshing your face as well. Why do I just keep getting this thing like popping up? Okay, talking about refreshing your skin, this is the Nature's Nourishment Rose Water and Glycerin, and I actually mix this and use this as a setting spray just to, and I'm sticking it everywhere. I actually use this to sort of melt all my powders in to my skin, and then I'll go in with usually the Urban Decay setting spray just to make everything last super long. And I got this from Discount, and it's cheap. Okay, as you can see, this is very loved. I love this mask. I actually just pretty much love all the masks from this range. This is the Freeman's range, and this is the Detoxifying Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. I'm not going to open it and show you because I think it looks gross. It's very loved. But I just put this on and leave it on for 10 minutes and remove it, and my skin just feels revived and soft, and like I feel like it brings all impurities to the surface and everything just feels super clean. And I try and do this at least once a week. If my life's not super hectic, I can try and do this even 2 to 3 times a week. Another charcoal mask. This is from the Body Shop. Surprise. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. So the difference between these two charcoal masks is that this is really a smooth mask that you put on, whereas this is a really like chunky mask. It almost feels like it's exfoliating at the same time as like purifying and cleansing your skin. And because it is such a rough like consistency, emphasis on purifying glow mask. It really does give your skin a nice glow. It is more expensive, so it's sort of like my treat mask to use like every now and then. But this is really nice, and I'll just show you. Can you see? So it looks sort of like weird and gross and chunky, but it's super nice. Okay, so for moisturizer, I still use the same vitamin E line. And this is just a day cream, and I've got a night cream as well. But to be honest, I don't really like, I used to buy day cream and night cream, and now I just sort of use the day cream all the time because I feel like it doesn't really make much of a difference. Do you? Really? Kaylee's saying she feels like it makes a big difference, but for me I feel like not so much. However, saying that, when I had oily skin and I was using the seaweed line, I found that the night mask was more of a gel consistency, and I don't know, for me it really helped to like dry out the oil in my skin at night. So if you are an oily skin type, then I would recommend the night moisturizer and using the day moisturizer. Then I have a confession to make. I haven't been using my eye cream lately just because I haven't repurchased it and I've been lazy, but I use the same vitamin E line, and they've got a little night cream, day cream wrinkle eye cream, and I just feel like, I don't know, maybe I just haven't found a really good eye cream, like an anti-wrinkle cream, but I don't really see huge differences with it. And I know it's a good stage of your life, from like 18 onwards, to start using wrinkle eye cream, so maybe I just need to find one that really works for me. But I don't want to give you false information, so for me right now I'm not using a wrinkle cream. And if you have any awesome cruelty-free wrinkle creams to suggest, then let me know in the comment box below. Okay, so if you enjoyed this skincare routine for winter, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share the cruelty-free love, and give us some video suggestions that you'd love to see us do. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.